Can you tell us a little bit? Who is Bidaya?
Okay, well, I am a person with many hats. Let me introduce you with my declaration. I am Giselle Teng. I am a champion of breaking barriers. And how can I describe myself? Well, I am a daughter of my mom who is working abroad. She's been there more than 10 years already. And I am also a sister to my 4 siblings, but now, since 2 of them passed away, tatlo na lang kami. I am living independently. I run a company called The Rolling Media. It is a personal branding studio. We help experts communicate their expertise online. Maybe some of you na kilala na ako have heard me say, I can't stand out, but I can make you stand out. So ako yon. And also, I am a good friend to many. I am a type of person who loves to have an intentional conversation like this. And so, I just love exploring. I'm someone who loves to do adventures every single day. I feel like every time na in-explore ko yung buhay, I feel more alive. So, that's who I am.